Okie doke. Here we've got product rule of exponents. So the directions in this case say simplify v to the fourth times v to the sixth. Now we have two methods. So let's look at the first method. First of all, understand and recognize v to the fourth times v to the sixth means v times 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 v. Well, how many v's are there? Those are all times together. We know when we write something out long ways like this, we can always shorten it with exponents, and we get v to the 10th. So in our mind, we can always think this or write it out on paper to keep track of it. However, sometimes that gets a little cumbersome. Here's the second method. If we recognize that pattern, let's go back and take a look. So what we have is a 4 and a 6 as exponents, and we end up with 10. Well, that in fact applies to our general rule. So this is an important rule that you can put in your notebook and refer to often, or more easily just memorize. Any variable raised to an exponent times that same variable to another exponent, you end up with that variable to the power of those two exponents added together. So in this case, we see here v to the fourth times v to the sixth is the same thing as v to the 4 plus 6, which is v to the 10th. We get the very same answer both ways. So you've got two methods. Let's take a look at one more example. Here we've got simplify w to the fourth times w to the third. Well, personally, I could go w times 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 w, and then count them up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's w to the 8th. That's fine. If that's what it takes, hey, that gets you the right answer. Whoops, wrong button. So let's get rid of that. What I really wanted to do was this. Now the other method, to me, is much easier. W to the fourth times w to the third is the same thing as w plus to the 4 plus 1 plus 3. Make note that the exponent right here is in fact a secret invisible 1. So 4 plus 3 plus 1 is 8. We get the same answer, two methods. Have fun.